guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to bring you another video on protective styling, and yes, it is another crochet style. I love crochet styles, so I'm probably going to be doing these a lot, especially since it's the holiday season. And what better hairstyle to do than a crochet style? I mean, you can do curls, you can do straight, you can do braided. I mean, you can do anything. So this was the best thing I could think of to do in such short notice. So I wanted to do something quick and easy, something that I knew how to do and it would turn out great. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. So it's called like the Freetress hair. And it's like a Bohemian Braid, I think is what it is. But I'll leave that in the description box of the type of hair. And I used 4 packs of hair. I really needed 5. I mean, it's pretty bulky and it's pretty full, but I wanted to add some more, like maybe in the front. But it covers up pretty well. So 4 packs is what I used, and it took me 3 hours to install. So this hair was a little bit tricky for me. I started with like a two knots because I figured that the hair is pretty silky, so 1 knot wasn't going to be enough. As I'm installing it, like 2 knots wasn't enough, so I had to do 3. So it just took me some time to like figure that out, but 3 hours still isn't bad. Like normally it takes me 2 to 3 hours to do a crochet style. So I like it. I mean, it's not my favorite, I would say, but I do like it, and especially for New Year's that's coming up, this is going to be a great hairstyle for me to do, and I don't have to worry about doing my hair this season, so that's even better. So I definitely will try this again. This is going to be a speed tutorial, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope you get inspired by it. And let me know what hairstyles you guys are thinking of doing. And if you tried this out, let me know too. So let's jump right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you all have a happy new year, and I will see you in 2018.